Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you what actually happened when you mistakenly click on confirm received in AliExpress. So if you mistakenly click confirm receive in AliExpress, what comes to your mind is my package going to come? Am I going to receive my package? Is my money gone? In this video I'm going to explain to you step by step on what you need to do. First of all, no, your package is still going to come. They are not going to eat your money. I have made this mistake in the past where I clicked confirm received and I still received my package. But if you are still curious and you want to track your item, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your tracking number. So this is what you have to do. Simply swipe to where it says processed, and here you're going to see all the items you have bought in AliExpress so far. So simply click on the item you mistakenly clicked confirm received. I'm going to use this bulb as an example. Click on it, and what you have to do is to copy the order ID. You can see the order ID below. Just copy it to your clipboard. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on the headphone icon at the top right corner. It's going to take you to where you can speak to a customer service. This is AliExpress Help Center. I have already made a video on how to speak with a human customer service. I'm not going to do that right now because this video is going to be too long. So I'm going to put the link in the description or in the comment section so that you can go and watch the video and you can understand how to chat with AliExpress human customer service. So when you get in contact with them, what you have to do is to paste your order ID for them and tell them to give you your tracking number of the item which you mistakenly clicked confirm received. That's what you have to do. Tell them that I ordered something and I mistakenly clicked confirm received when I haven't received my package. Please, I want the tracking number. They are going to send you the tracking number so you can use to track your item, just for you to be sure. But I assure you, your item is still going to be delivered to you, even though you mistakenly clicked confirm received. So I hope this video clears your doubts about this stuff, because I've been in the same situation before and I still received my item. So don't be afraid. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.